Okay guys, I'm back at my place now, so I got the little cover that I wanted to show you. Right, so as you can see, I cut this part off. Where was I now? Where's the spot? Okay. Right, so this is the plastic cover that I cut through in order for me to get to the back, to get my hand through here. As you can see, this clips in over there like that, like so, and I cut through this entire cover with a blade, a very sharp blade and strong blade that I could cut through. Eventually I started to use a kitchen knife just to get through because the blades were breaking all the time, and this is a fairly thick plastic, things like 2 or 3 mil thick. So in order for you to cut through, to get this cover, to get this part to come off so that you can fit your hand in to get to the back to this motor. So this motor was sitting, let me just show you, here's the motor. This was sitting in this position, in this position like that, with a gear on that side, right? So this is how it was over here. It fits over here and it's connected to that gear. So this teeth, basically, if I can zoom in here, maybe it will be better. So you see this motor was sitting in here, connected like that into that part over there. Yeah, so that gear basically at the back like this, it's connected so that teeth would turn directly over there, and this part goes in there most probably. Anyways, yeah, it clips and then it makes that gears move for the flap to go up and down. At the moment the flap is in the closed position, but yeah, there's a cover that goes over here that covers this gear and that part, and that the screws actually connect into. Now let me show you what I was referring to here. Maybe you don't even have to remove the screws, because I struggled to take the screws out here. So that thing, where is this part? How was this connected here? Let me just have a look here quickly. This screws was going in. How was the clip? Where was the clip that I clipped off? It was like that. Okay, yeah, so this lock rested like, oh yeah, there's it. So this goes in like that. See, this motor lines up like that with that screws there. So this is the position. As you can see, yeah, the motor's in there. So it lied like that, right? And the screw, the first screw went in here on the top, and then there was 3 screws, but I see that someone, no, it wasn't 3 screws, it was only 2. 1 screw over here and 1 screw over there, and that screw came out here. As you can see, the back of it, there's no opening, so that screws only screwed into the actual cover, this clip cover. So that's right here. So you can just clip this cover off, then this whole motor will come out, so you won't need to actually screw the entire you don't even have to take the screws out, you might just clip this thing out. So that's it. There you go, guys. You can check it's completely closed at the back, so the screw doesn't go right through. And this thing clipped out, this thing went in like this, and it clipped in here in a way. So I just clipped, let me show you, I'll make another video for that. But anyways, yeah guys, hopefully this is going to save you a lot of time and trouble to get this motor out of here.